Welcome back to the Pulse of Uganda. You are going to deep dive into the political maneuver, strategy shifts, and big personalities shaping our nation. I'm your host, and today we are unpacking a major shakeup at the very top of Uganda's socio-economic engine. If you have been following the headlines this week, the Pepper Intelligence Unit just dropped major exclusive General Kale Baganda now. Everyone knows him as General Salim has officially picked his new mouthpiece. The Chief Coordinator of Operation Wealth Creation, or OWC, has appointed former Pade District Resident District Commissioner Dusman, Okee, as the official spokesperson for this office. Now, why does this matter? Let's pull back the curtain. Operation Wealth Creation isn't just any government program. It is the state's flagship initiative designed to lift millions out of subsistence farming and into commercial agriculture. It is about boosting household incomes, and General Saleh is arguably one of the most influential figures in national security, defense, and economic mobilization. Who speaks for him speaks with a lot of weight. Enter Dusman, Okee. For those who know northern Ugandan politics, Okee is a familiar face. As the former RDC of Pade District, he built a solid reputation as a boots-on-the-ground administrator. He was known for community mobilization, coordinating government policies, and handling delicate local security matters. He has been photographed right alongside President Museveni, signaling he is a deeply trusted, highly disciplined government cadre. By bringing Okee into the OWC Secretariat, General Saleh is signaling a shift toward aggressive, seasoned grassroots communication. Okee isn't just a media talking head. He is a man who understands how national policies actually land on the ground in rural communities. His job won't be easy. OWC is under constant pressure to deliver tangible agricultural productivity increases and clear economic transformation across the country. Okee will now be the bridge between the General's strategic directives, the media, and the public. It's a massive promotion and a brand new chapter for Okee's public service career. The congratulations are already pouring in from government officials, but the real test begins now. Can the new mouthpiece effectively tell the story of Uganda's wealth creation? We'll be watching closely. That's all for right now. Hit that subscribe button, leave us a review, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Is Okee the right man to change the narrative around OWC? Until next time, keep your finger on the pulse.